Today we will explore a familiar yet often overlooked plant, reed grass. Known for its ability to thrive in wetlands and along rivers, reed grass is a highly versatile plant that plays a significant role in the ecosystem. In this video, we will guide you through the process of growing, harvesting, and utilizing this remarkable plant, with a special focus on one of its most practical uses, making brooms. Let's get started. Reed grass has a fascinating way of growing in various environments, particularly in wetland areas and regions with high moisture. We often see it growing wild in marshes, along riverbanks, and in low-lying areas where water accumulates. This plant has a robust root system that absorbs nutrients from water and soil, making it highly resilient to harsh conditions. Due to its strong adaptability, reed grass often grows in large clusters with tall, hollow stems that can reach heights of 3 to 4 meters. Its leaves are long, narrow, and pointed, resembling blades of grass. At the top of each stalk, flowers bloom in soft, feathery plumes. These flowers eventually release seeds that float through the air and land in moist soil, promoting the natural spread of the plant. Over time, reed grass forms large fields that can cover vast areas. While reed grass grows naturally in many places, it can also be cultivated for commercial purposes. Many farmers in different regions plant reed grass due to its diverse applications. The cultivation process is quite simple, starting with soil preparation by plowing and ensuring adequate water supply through irrigation systems or natural flooding. Once the soil is ready, seeds or young reed plants are sown in the fields. Because this plant is highly resilient, it does not require much fertilizer or pesticides, making it an environmentally friendly crop. Reed grass is typically harvested in late autumn or early winter when the plant has reached its maximum height and the stems have become firm. This is the stage when the plant is fully mature, with its leaves turning yellow or brown, and the flowers have fallen, indicating that the plant is ready for harvesting. Harvesting at this time ensures that the stems are dry and sturdy, ideal for uses such as broom making, roofing, or producing handmade crafts. For traditional methods, farmers still harvest reed grass by hand, using sickles or scythes to cut the tall stalk. The stalks are then carefully tied together and left to dry under the sun. This method not only preserves the best quality of the plant, but also allows for selecting the finest stalks, which are ideal for products like brooms and intricate handmade items. However, as demand for reed grass has increased, mechanized harvesting methods have become more common. Large cutting machines can quickly harvest entire fields of reed grass while ensuring that the plants remain undamaged, completing the process in just a few hours and significantly reducing labor time. After cutting, these machines also bundle the reed grass into rolls or large stacks, making transportation more efficient. These rolls can be sent to processing plants for further treatment. Mechanized harvesting not only boosts productivity but also optimizes the process, ensuring consistent quality for industries that utilize reed grass. To create a complete reed broom, the craftsman carefully prepares essential materials such as reed flowers, reed stems, cattails, and fishing line. Each component is meticulously selected and harmoniously combined to produce a broom that is both sturdy and beautiful. The reed flowers are skillfully gathered into neat bundles and securely tied with strong fishing line. These bundles are then wrapped with cattails to increase the thickness and durability of the sweeping part. This binding process is repeated several times, ensuring the broom becomes dense and soft yet maintains its firmness. The broom handle is crafted from reed stems combined with cattails, then tightly bound and reinforced to ensure stability. This process requires precision and care, as each loop of the line must be tied correctly to avoid any misalignment or looseness. Once the handle and sweeping part of the broom are complete, the craftsman securely fastens the entire broom. The handle is usually wrapped with an additional layer of colored fishing line, both to enhance its durability and to add a refined, decorative touch to the handcrafted product. When the broom is finished, any excess material, such as uneven reeds or extra string, is carefully trimmed to give it a tidy and polished appearance. The completed reed broom carries a subtle natural fragrance, not only serving as a practical tool, but also standing as a finely crafted work of art, reflecting the dedication and skill of the craftsman. From planting reed grass to harvesting and creating a finished product like a reed broom is a process that requires meticulous attention and patience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever seen or used a reed broom before? We'd love to hear about your experience. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of modern agriculture. Today, we're diving into the incredible process of cultivating and harvesting button mushrooms with advanced machinery. Join us as we uncover the techniques and technology behind one of the most popular types of mushrooms in the world. Button mushrooms, scientifically known as Agaricus bisporus, are a staple in kitchens around the globe. They're not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Let's start with the first step, making mushroom compost. The foundation of successful mushroom cultivation is high-quality compost. The main ingredient in mushroom compost is straw. In our modern facilities, straw is processed in a closed environment to maintain optimal conditions. This ensures that the straw is free from contaminants and ready to be mixed with other essential components. Once processed, the straw is combined with materials like chicken manure, gypsum, and water. This mixture is then turned regularly to encourage the growth of beneficial microorganisms. Over several weeks, the compost undergoes a fermentation process, which breaks down the organic materials into a nutrient-rich substrate perfect for mushroom growth. This process is carefully monitored with temperature and moisture levels controlled to create the ideal conditions for composting. The result is a dark, crumbly compost that serves as the perfect growing medium for button mushrooms. After the compost is fully prepared, it's time to introduce the mushroom spores. These spores are essentially the seeds of the mushrooms. They're carefully mixed into the compost in a controlled environment to ensure even distribution. This process, known as spawning, sets the stage for mushroom growth. The inoculated compost is then packed into trays or beds and moved to the mushroom farm. Here, the compost is laid out to form mushroom beds, which are the growing medium for the mushrooms. The trays are often arranged in stacked layers to maximize space and efficiency within the growing rooms. One of the key factors in successful mushroom cultivation is maintaining the right environment. Mushrooms require a specific combination of temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide levels to thrive. In our modern mushroom farms, these conditions are meticulously controlled using advanced systems. The mushroom beds are placed in growing rooms equipped with sensors and automated climate control systems. These systems monitor and adjust the conditions to ensure optimal growth. The growing medium is moistened regularly to keep the humidity levels high, which is crucial for mushroom development. Air circulation is also carefully managed to ensure that fresh air is continuously supplied while maintaining the appropriate levels of carbon dioxide. This delicate balance is essential for promoting healthy mushroom growth and preventing any fungal diseases. In this favorable environment, the mushroom spores begin to grow rapidly. Within a few days, tiny white threads called mycelium start to spread throughout the compost. The mycelium continues to grow and eventually forms small mushroom buttons, which gradually increase in size. During this phase, the growing rooms are kept dark to mimic the natural conditions that mushrooms prefer. The modern systems in place ensure that the temperature and humidity levels are maintained consistently, allowing the mushrooms to grow healthily and uniformly. This phase typically lasts for several weeks, during which the mushrooms are closely monitored. Any deviations in environmental conditions are quickly corrected to prevent any issues that could affect the crop's quality. Once the mushrooms reach their full size, it's time for harvest. Harvesting button mushrooms is a delicate process that requires precision and care. In our modern farms, specialized machinery is used to streamline this process and ensure the mushrooms are handled gently. The harvesting machines are designed to cut the mushrooms at the base and collect them without damaging the delicate caps. This not only speeds up the harvesting process, but also maintains the quality of the mushrooms. After harvesting, the mushrooms are quickly cooled to preserve their freshness before being packed and shipped. Button mushrooms are a significant export product for many countries. In 2023, the global export of button mushrooms reached impressive figures. According to the latest statistics, over 1.5 million metric tons of button mushrooms were exported worldwide. The leading exporters included countries like the Netherlands, China, and Poland, contributing to a global market value of approximately $5 billion. These exports cater to the high demand for button mushrooms in international markets, particularly in North America and Europe. The consistent quality and year-round availability make button mushrooms a popular choice for both consumers and the food industry. After the mushrooms are harvested, the remaining compost is not wasted. It undergoes a recovery process where it is decomposed further and repurposed as organic fertilizer. This sustainable practice ensures that nothing goes to waste and contributes to a circular farming system. The post-harvest compost is rich in nutrients and can be used to enrich soils for various crops. This recycling of organic materials is an essential aspect of sustainable agriculture, reducing waste and enhancing soil health. In addition to environmental controls, technology is also used in other aspects of mushroom farming. For instance, robotic arms can assist in planting and harvesting, reducing labor costs and increasing efficiency. Furthermore, artificial intelligence is being integrated to predict and manage crop health, ensuring that potential issues are addressed before they become significant problems. The journey of a button mushroom from compost to your plate is a testament to the advancements in modern agricultural technology. The combination of high-quality compost, precise environmental control, and advanced machinery allows for efficient and sustainable We hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at how button mushrooms are cultivated and harvested using modern techniques. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We love hearing from our viewers and look forward to your feedback. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of modern farming. Thank you for YTE.